Hey there, my fellow marketeers. So we're back with another episode, and this time we're going to dive right in to teach you how to create video content that doesn't suck. Now, obviously, I'll start with a disclaimer because when it comes to anything creative, especially video content, there's always a level of objectivity. What one person finds really amazing, another person might find it completely dull and uninspiring. And when it comes to personal taste, there's nothing you can really do when it comes to putting your video content out there. I mean, how many times have you been sent a video from one of your friends and they find it absolutely hilarious? And it's usually a cat video, and you're just not that into it. Mainly because, like me, you're a dog person and dogs rule. No, I'm only kidding. Look, cats are cool too. They get lots of views on the YouTubes. But see, herein lies my point. You can't make video content that is going to please everyone. You've got to pick a side, and the side that you need to pick is your ideal customer. Simply put, you almost need to dream up your ideal customer as some sort of avatar or a visual representation. What do they look like? How old are they? Where do they tend to shop? What are their interests and passions? And most importantly, what sort of problems would they face that would lead them to seek out your products and services as a solution? Because here's the thing, I just want you to jump into your customer's shoes for a second. So let's imagine for a moment that they get on Google and they start searching for a solution to their problem. I mean like the exact search terms. Let's say you're a plumber. So your ideal customer might be typing in the search bar, how do I unclog my blocked toilet, or local plumbing services. Or another example might be that you run a coffee business and you sell coffee beans and coffee accessories. So your ideal customer might be typing in best coffee beans Australia or best coffee beans to make the perfect espresso. So whether you're the plumber or the coffee business, the answer to creating engaging video content is the same. You want to create video content that helps answer the questions to what your ideal customers are actually searching for. So a good example for the plumber in terms of creating engaging video content might be something like 5 handy tips to unblock your toilet, or how to choose the right local plumber for you. You're effectively reverse engineering the questions that your customers are asking and turning that into useful video titles. You would then spend time answering those questions in your video and guiding your customers on a journey through solving their problem. For the coffee business owner, you could create a video titled, "What beans to use to make the perfect espresso." So both of these videos dig into the questions that your customers are asking, and they give you, the business owner, the chance to create an authentic connection in the process. Because that is the ultimate trick to creating video content that doesn't suck. It's all about figuring out what your customers are searching for based on the problem that they're experiencing, and then tailoring your video content to providing them with a solution. Now, here are some bonus tips to really help your content shine. Number 1, you need to make sure each of your videos has a strong story that is easy to follow. Number 2, your videos also need to show off your personality. Don't be afraid to infuse some of your humor and quirks into the video content you create, because it's only going to cement that authentic relationship with your customers that gravitate towards your type of content. Number 3, if you have the budget, hire a professional videographer to create something that is visually appealing. They should also help guide you on this process, which is well worth the investment alone if you've never attempted great video content before. Number 4, keep your videos short and to the point. If your customers are searching for a solution to their problem, don't assume that they have time to hear you waffle on about unrelated information. Most people are time poor and they just want the answer to their problems. And if you can provide them with the solution to their problem in a really short amount of time, they're going to keep coming back for more. Number 5, make sure your videos are customer focused. Now, this is a no-brainer, but make sure you spend the bulk of your videos leaning into your customers' problems and speaking directly about the solutions to that problem. The more time you spend helping solve your customers' problems in your video content, they're going to look at you as a trusted ally or guide, and they're going to come back for future videos and engage with your services. So there you go. I hope this video has been helpful. And if you want to learn more about video marketing, you can check out our video marketing makeover series by clicking the link below. Stay tuned for the next one, folks, and I will see you soon.